So hello everyone, welcome to AeroTap and guys welcome to your another important lecture of the PIB Current Affair series. So talking about today's session guys, it will be a very important session because it talks about a very important report that has been released recently, that is the Indian Innovation Index. Yes guys, recently just a day before Indian Innovation Index has been released. So within this session, within 5 to 10 minutes, we will be covering each and every aspect of this innovation index that is equally important for your NABARD examination, upcoming NABARD examination, as well as for RBI and SEBI examination. So guys, talking about the topic is equally relevant both for your phase 1 and phase 2 examination. Now guys, let's start with the topic. The first question I'm asking you is, which one of the following institute has released the Indian Innovation Index for the year 2021? Easy question. Now guys, one thing I want from you is try to solve these questions because Indian Innovation Index is released every year. So you should know these basic questions. Who has released Indian Innovation Index? It is being released by Institute for Competitiveness along with Niti Aayog. So we always remember Niti Aayog. But sometimes what a mistake that we can commit is, if we do not remember this institute, we might commit a mistake in the examination. So remember, it is an index which is being released by Institute for Competitiveness along with Niti Aayog. So this has been seen on 21st of July when the rankings of this Indian Innovation Index has been released by Niti Aayog. So see the heading, Karnataka, Manipur, Chandigarh tops the Niti Aayog's Indian Innovation Index. Now talking about here, the other important institute that we have discussed, this Institute for Competitiveness, you should also remember that has, along with this, Niti Aayog has released this specific index. Now here, without moving forward, let's discuss some other important things. Which edition it is? It is the third edition. Then, when I talk about Indian Innovation Index, we should also remember about the Global Innovation Index. So because talking about innovation, we should also remember about the Global Innovation Index that has been released. So we know it is being released by World Intellectual Property Index, or World Intellectual Property Organization is the organization which released the Global Innovation Index. The next question that should come in our mind is, what is the rank of India in the Global Innovation Index? So yes, if you have attended the Kaushik sir, that is Devanshu sir's session of yesterday, and he was revising the ESI current affairs. Okay, so you should know about the Global Innovation Index also. But when I talk about the other important thing, the Global Innovation Index, India has been ranked at 46th place. So 46th was the rank of India in this year's Global Innovation Index released by World Intellectual Property Organization. Now coming back to the Indian Innovation Index that is being released by Niti Aayog and Institute for Competitiveness, and it is the third index that has been released this year. So coming to the question, as I was discussing, third edition has been released. Okay. Now the very important things that have been shared during when the index was released is that the number of indicators has been increased from 36 in 2020 to how much in 2021? This is a very important question guys. Any change in index is always important. You should remember these things. So here if I talk about guys, the answer is option number A. Now earlier there were 36 indicators, now it has been increased to 66 indicators. Even if I talk about sub-pillars here, there are 16 sub-pillars which was earlier used to be 7 in 2020, now it has been increased to 16 sub-pillars. So we can say 16 sub-pillars instead of 7 sub-pillars, and number of indicators has been increased to 66, that was earlier 36. So this is the important thing, that is a key highlight of this index for 2021. Now next question is, we have discussed the releasing body, the changes that have been made while calculating this index. Now are the parameters here. So I am asking you the question is, which one of the following is not one of the enabler pillar measuring the input as per this information? We know there are two type of indicators. One is enabling indicators, second are the performance indicators that are there in the Indian Innovation Index. So we are talking about the enabler pillars or the enabling performers. So here the answer is, that is option number E. Knowledge output is basically your performance based indicator. So if you look at the indicators, enabler indicators include human capital, investment, knowledge worker, business environment, safety and legal environment, and knowledge performance. There are only two things which are directly related to knowledge. नॉलेज डिफ्यूजन एंड नॉलेज आउटपुट। सो सिंपल याद रखना, परफॉर्मेंस किससे आ रही है? इनोवेशन की नॉलेज से। So remember one thing, performance is coming from knowledge. This is the keyword that you can remember because both the performance index are related to knowledge and rest are all the enabler indicators. So coming back here, you can see knowledge workers. Here you might confuse knowledge workers, but it is not workers. It is output and diffusion. तो बाकी तो आप वैसे ही यहाँ पे remove कर सकते हो. So remember this thing. Okay? चलिए. Coming to the next question, guys, that is about the indexes. So the question I'm asking is, which one of the following state has topped the third edition in terms of major states? As we have seen in the headline also, the answer is Karnataka. We have seen in the highlights also that the main thing is Karnataka has topped among the major states. If I talk about other states, so Karnataka is followed by Telangana and Haryana. So remember these two states also, Telangana and Haryana also. And at last in the major state is Chhattisgarh. Okay. Now, next question is worst performer in terms of UT and city. Worst performer. So remember the keywords. As I always tell you, whenever you are attempting the question, keywords play a very prominent role here. So when I talk about worst performer in the UTs, it is Ladakh. Best is Chandigarh. So Chandigarh is best. Ladakh is the worst performer among city and UTs. And in major states, Karnataka is the best performer. Chhattisgarh is the worst performer among the major states. So if you look at the state, if you look at the index for UT and city, okay, Chandigarh is at first, followed by Delhi and Andaman and Nicobar, and at last it is Ladakh. Okay, ji. Chal. Coming to the next question is now the ranking on the northeastern states. Okay, so we have discussed all the three rankings, that is major state, cities and UTs, as well as now the northeastern hill states. Which of the following state has topped among the northeastern hill states? The answer here is that is Manipur. So now if you look at the options, ठीक है? तो options में देखो किस तरह I have made this kind of question is, see guys, you can see, you will be seeing lot of question even in your examination also, which will be like an icing on a cake. ठीक है? Icing on a cake type of question will be there, जिसमें आपको बहुत ज़्यादा सोचना ही नहीं है, बहुत easily question हो जाते हैं. And these kind of questions come in your examination also. So based on that, you do not have to remember. You should remember only one thing, Manipur. एक ही स्टेट है नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न की, मणिपुर, और वो आंसर हो जाएगा. ठीक है? इफ आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन इन सेबी एग्जामिनेशन, ठीक है, ऑन मित्र शक्ति, दैट इज व्हेन इंडिया बांग्लादेश मित्र शक्ति हैज टेकन प्लेस और द इनिशिएटिव्स हैज बीन टेकन प्लेस, द एक्सरसाइज हैज टेकन प्लेस. इट हैज टेकन प्लेस इन दिसंबर एंड दे हैव रिटन इन द क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ कि दिसंबर में हुई है, एंड देयर वाज ओनली जस्ट अ सिंगल ऑप्शन इन व्हिच दिसंबर वाज गिवन. These are kind of questions जहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी आपको टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है. So based on that thing, we have tried to frame a question जहाँ पे आपका भी टाइम कम लगे. Okay, so guys, this is all about your Indian Innovation Index. We have discussed about the releasing body, changes that have been made, ranking we have discussed, and the parameters we have discussed. These are the basic criteria which you need to cover when you are preparing this Indian Innovation Index. So guys, if you have liked this session, ठीक है जी. So if I talk about the northeastern states before, Manipur, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, and at last it is Nagaland. Okay. So guys, if you have liked this session, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay. Then to get the access of the PDF of this lecture and the other lectures that we are providing on YouTube, what you have to do is you have to only do one thing: subscribe to our Telegram channel. The link for which is given in the description below. Now a very important announcement for all of you. So guys, we are running a flat 50% off. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर यू. ठीक है? बहुत ही ज्यादा आपके लिए चीज है. हमने अपनी जो वन टाइम सेल है, वी हैव एक्सटेंडेड द सेल ऑन ऑल आवर कोर्सेज ऑफ आरबीआई, नाबार्ड एंड सेबी. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू जस्ट हैव टू टाइप दिस थिंग वन टाइम एंड यू कैन अवेल द फ्लैट 50% ऑन आवर कोर्सेज. So guys, this was all about the session. If you have liked the session, kindly comment, kindly like the if you have liked the session, kindly press the like button. Okay, you can also comment, ठीक है, share with your friends also, and I hope you are preparing really hard for your examination. So keep preparing hard and you will succeed. Okay, so wishing you all the best for your examination, guys. Bye bye. And still guys, one thing to remember, if you have any kind of doubt, you could drop us an email at this number, that is hello@edutap.co.in, and you can also press us a call at this number, that is 81462 07241. Okay guys, wishing you all the best. Bye bye.